To take photos using the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 is simple. Start by navigating to the app screen and then go ahead and look for the camera app and select it. Now, from here, it should load a preview on your phone, on the watch itself, as well as what the phone is currently seeing. So, let's say, for example, I've put my phone far away and this is the view that it's getting. I should be able to see that view all the way from my watch. Now, from here, you can go ahead and just take the photo immediately. You can choose to also disable the timer if you want to, so it's an immediate image, or you can choose to enable the timer and have that 3-second countdown before the image is taken. Now you can be able to see how the image looks like in the previews. You can even be able to see them in the gallery app on your phone. You can also choose to switch to video mode, and this allows you to use your watch to record whatever your phone is seeing. So, say for example, your phone starts moving and it starts seeing different things, you should be able to see it all from the preview on the watch itself. And then you can go ahead and just stop the recording once you're happy. And so that is how you can take a photo using your Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra 2. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.